invited as the representative of the International Society for Krishna Consciousness at the World Conference of the World Viswa Hindu Parishad, the World Hindu Parishad at Allahabad last winter. This is held every 12 years. So at that conference, the people were very interested to hear how their Sanatan Dharma, this Krishna conscious movement, is being accepted around the world. They were very interested and very pleased to know how the Western people were appreciating and there were 200,000 delegates present from different nations and all over India, and they were very pleased to hear this, I must admit. So, at that time, that whole assembly recommended that every Hindu should read the Bhagavad Gita, and they should worship Tulasi in their home. You will find that every day, every Krishna conscious family and every Krishna conscious temple is busily engaged in reading and preaching the tenets of this Bhagavad Gita. And Tulasi is being worshipped daily. I was very pleased to see how here in the Western Hemisphere, even in the cold places, Tulasi is being worshipped. Tulasi is a tropical plant sacred to all Krishna devotees, which comes from a part of India. This is a spiritual plant. So this has been established all over the world. And this is very encouraging.